I'm passionate about security, but the operational side, nights, weekends, it's a job that really doesn't end. In this part of my life, no operational concerns that I've got to wake up in the middle of the night for or mess up a vacation with my wife. It is stuff I want to do.
For some people in the cybersecurity industry, the idea of what comes after an extensive career can be intimidating. For Ron Green, former Cybersecurity Fellow at Mastercard, after 30 years of experience in security, law enforcement, and the military, it was an easy decision.
I just retired last year. I made Captain Ron's Workshop. It really is a bit of second act. I still do some security work, but part of what I do, and I like spending time doing it, is making things, making knives or making furniture, and I'll sell those things really for the fun.
Green's present-day security work consists of his role at 5-0 Consulting, where he serves as the partner of CISO Advisory, helping many of today's CISOs by offering the perspective of someone familiar with the position, and with his background, few are better suited.
The best job I ever had was after West Point, being in the Army as a platoon leader. After that, I worked for the Secret Service, did 9 years there, had an awesome time, second best job I ever had. One of the things that they don't tell you, or they do tell you about in the Secret Service, is you lose a lot of your family time. I got to a point where I had 3 kids and wanted to spend more time with the family, so I went into the banking sector, worked for Bank of America, helping to build out their cyber investigation and computer forensic practice, and also worked on protecting the bank from cyber criminals. From Bank of America, I went to Blackberry, did the same thing from Blackberry. I went to FIS as a Deputy Chief Information Security Officer, and then on to Mastercard, where I started as the Chief Information Security Officer, but then I also picked up physical security too. So after 10 years as a Chief Security Officer at Mastercard, I did 2 years as a fellow, which is I provided advice to the security teams at Mastercard, also helped to advance Mastercard's thought leadership in security around the world.
Green elaborated on what makes Captain Ron's Workshop so special.
I have more time to myself. I use plasma cutters, I use forges. There's fun in working with fire in those instances. And then the farming stuff on the side, that's fun. We've had chickens for 8 months now. Never had chickens before. I've learned a lot about chickens in 8 months.
And although Green is no longer solely focused on cybersecurity, he remains a respected voice in the industry.
Time and time again, if you look at the big attacks, the big hacks, a lot of them are just on the old basic blocking and tackling of security. I'd say 70% of what the organizations need to think about security-wise, it is core security, vulnerability management, making sure that team members understand the tricks and foils of social engineering attacks. It's making sure you're patching. It's making sure you have the right controls. It's making sure your SOC is tuned correctly. It's all the basics. Then thinking about the newer things or the greater things like quantum or fusion centers or threat casting, all that cool stuff. You don't mess with any of that stuff until you got a better understanding of, or control of the core.
To learn more about Captain Ron's Workshop, visit captainronsworkshop.com. And for more information about CISOs and cybersecurity, visit our website at cybersecurityventures.com.